Good evening, viewers. This is Shaukat Khan YouTube channel, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about our topic is diabetic. So we will discuss about the diabetic. So diabetic are high blood sugar or hypoglycemia. This is the same meanings, and we have to know about the diabetes. So diabetic is a disease in which blood sugars, glucose level are too high. Glucose comes from the food, which is main source of our energy, and insulin is a hormone which is produced by the pancreas to compensate the glucose in the body. So we will see the signs and symptoms of the diabetes. So number one, dryness of the mouth. This dryness of the mouth, in especially it was feeling in the night when the people are sleeping. In that time, they are feeling the dryness of the mouth, dryness of the throat, and they will wake up due to dryness, and they will drink the water, and again it will take after some time again they will feel the dryness of the mouth and throat. So this is the first complication. This is the first sign, and second one is urination. In this condition also, when the sleeping time or even the daytime, the peoples have a several times they are going to the toilet to pass the urine again and again after 1 hour, after 2 hours. They are going, they will pass the urine. So frequency of urine will be there. So number three, absolute insulin deficiency. So the insulin deficiency will be there in case of the blood sugar will be high. And number four, weight loss. This is another sign that the people without any complication, without any disease, they are lost their weight, and they don't know. Nobody knows why they are losing their weight. So end of the day, when they will check, the blood sugar will be high. And number five is nausea and vomiting. So this is another complication. This is another symptom that patient have a nausea and vomiting frequently, and sometime before food, sometime after food, also they are feeling nausea and vomiting. Number six is frequent infection. So frequent infection means that the people's, they have surgical wound, they have wound, they have injury. So in that case, their wound will be take long time to heal the wound. So as the normal people, the wound will be healed up within 5 to 7 days. But in the diabetic patient, it will take time more than 1 month, even more than 1 month, even more time it will take if it will be not cured by the medicine. So this is another complication. This is another sign that the patient have a high blood sugar, or in this case we have to approach to the doctor. And number seven is blur of the vision. This is also another complication, that when the blood sugar will be high, our eyesight also will become low. So in this case also, because of without any reason, uh, the eyesight is affected. So it's mean there is something wrong with the eyesight. So when you will see that the blood sugar will be high, and then so there will be the complication of this is the signs and symptom of the blood sugar. So those who have a high blood sugar, this is a sign and the symptom of the high blood sugar. But if after that they have severe strong complication, so that complication will be, we will discuss later, but what I will tell you that there is a 4 common complication is there. Number 1, retinopathy. This is about the eyes. Number 2 is nephropathy. Nephropathy also, this is about the kidneys. The kidney will be affected. And then the third one is neuropathy. Neuropathy also, it will be damage the nerves, and especially in the lower limb, and in that case there is some complication will come in the lower limb. So that we will discuss later. And then the fourth one is dermopathy. Dermopathy is, this is a condition of skin due to high blood sugar. The skin patches will be there. So, and most of the people, they have itching, and without any reason, without any disease. So when they will say that they will check, the blood sugar will be high. So in this case also you have to approach to the doctor. So this all complication we will discuss the next video, inshallah, because people don't like to make a long video, and that's why this is today's video only. And I hope you enjoy and you understand some terms of problem in the high blood sugar. And I hope you will subscribe my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon, and see you inshallah next video very soon. Thank you very much.